Hi everyone, it is Michelle, your ET, your extra terrific ET. That's right. Can you believe it's been 5 days since I have made any videos? I'm sure you're all missing seeing my weekly videos in your Google Classroom. But hey, we're going back to school. HP Con B was just announced, which means all of my video ideas sort of went on hold. That's okay, because we're getting ready to see each other again, and I had to switch my focus for a little while. However, I really enjoy making videos for you. It's a creative outlet for me. So, I wanted to show you how I create the particular font that I've been using in almost all of my templates lately. Just the other day, someone said to me, "Oh, Michelle, that's a really cool font." Well, it's just in Google. I do add a few little steps to it to give it the look that it has. It's like a sketch with an outline around it, and I wanted to show you how I create that. When I used to use PowerPoint a lot, I used to do this same effect in PowerPoint, but now that I use Google for pretty much everything, this is how I make the effect in Google. So I just wanted to share with you how to do it in case you want to learn how to do this to your font and give it that extra little something. So here it goes. Okay, here I am in Google Slides. As you can see, I have a blank Slides document open, and I've called it Fun Font Effect. And this is how you do it. Let's get started. So instead of inserting just a normal text box like you would here, click the text box and type the word welcome back, I am actually going to insert WORDART. Okay? WORDART. And I'm going to type welcome back. As you can see now, it sort of has a kind of dimensional look about it. Now, the font that I've been using lately, just because I think it is super cool and super fancy and I really like the look of it, is called Architect's Daughter. I just really like the way that looks. It just looks kind of like you've drawn it or some sort of sketch drawing, so I really love that. Okay, so then I'm going to change the color to black because I just want the border, oops, not the color. Let's actually make the font transparent, but the border maybe a little bit thicker like that. Okay, and I'm simply going to right click on it and I am going to copy it, Control V, and paste it. So the pasted one I'm actually going to turn red. Okay. As you can see here, you simply just move it up a little bit. You can use the arrow keys to get exactly where you want it. I kind of like it to be offset just a little bit like that so that it kind of has this messy look about it. I think it looks kind of cool. And if you want to just stretch it and make it a little bit bigger, you can do that. And as you can see, when you're using just regular text font, it doesn't give you the same effect because it doesn't give you that outline. And if you want to thicken it up a little bit, you can move it out of the way and grab the other one and you can kind of bold it a little bit, make the lines even thicker. And then you can then move this up here and have that kind of an outline look about it. So if you're going for that effect, I still like this sort of offset look. I think that looks kind of cool. So that's it. Those who asked me, how do you make that font that's in my templates that I use in Jamboard and other slideshows? This is how you do it. Simply go to Insert WORDART. Easy peasy. I hope you found that tutorial on the fun font effect using Google Slides and WordArt helpful. I'd like to see your fun font effect. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I make a new video for you. Have a great day. Bye.